Hello, my name is Daryl Poe, and this is my presentation on the Five Minds for the Future. Howard Gardner, author of the Five Minds for the Future, elucidates that the five minds, discipline, synthesizing, creating, respectful, and ethical, will be pivotal for an organization to thrive in future eras. The first mind, the discipline mind, a discipline constitutes a distinctive way of thinking about the world. To achieve a disciplined mind, my organization must challenge its leaders to master one discipline. One discipline that I believe is Army professional, where the needs of customers are superior to the organization. Gardner identified 4 steps useful for helping my organization achieve the disciplined mind. Step 1, identify the importance of the core principle within the Army professional discipline. Step 2, spend a significant amount of time studying the discipline. Step 3, approach the discipline in a variety of ways to maximize growth. Step 4, draft performance of understanding and give leaders ample opportunities to perform their understanding of the discipline under a variety of conditions. The second mind is the synthesizing mind. Synthesizing is the ability to knit together information from disparate sources into a coherent whole. My organization will need to challenge its leaders to master the synthesizing mind via divergent thinking in order to thrive in future eras. Gardner believes the 4 components are integral for achieving the synthesizing mind. The first component, a goal. A goal is a clear statement of what the organization wants its leaders to achieve. Goal 2, a starting point. A starting point is a previous work on which to build upon. Goal 3, selection of strategy, method and approach. And goal 4, draft and feedback. My organization must challenge its leaders to take an initial crack at synthesizing the paradigm for building something new. The third mind is the creating mind. Psychologist Mihai Csikszentmihalyi believes creativity is conceived through 3 autonomous elements. The first element is the individual element. The individual who has mastered some discipline or domain of practice and is steadily issuing variation in that domain. Number 2, the cultural domain, in which the individual is working with his models, prescription, and proscription. And then finally, 3, the social field, those individuals and institutions that provide access to relevant educational experiences as well as opportunities to perform. Basically, what Mihai Csikszentmihalyi is saying is in order for my organization to thrive in future eras, it needs to develop its leaders to fully embrace the uniqueness of what each element brings to the organization as a whole. The fourth mind, the respectful mind, ideally, the responsibility of engineering respect among different groups and displaying that respect publicly should be distributed across the Army professional. Mastering a respectful mind involves repudiating prejudice about individuals, groups, and countries based solely on ignorance, and instead respect each other on the basis of indistinguishable commonalities. Only then will my organization be able to achieve the respectful mind and thrive in future eras. And finally, the fifth and final mind is he or she is living up to their personal values. Step 4, mirror test, professional responsibility. My organization must hold leaders accountable when they fail to model and uphold the Army values. According to Gardner, we are responsible not only for what we do, but for what we do not do. In closing, I articulated how the 5 minds of the future can help my organization thrive in future era. Thank you for listening to my presentation.